In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to take a photo such as this, one that's in color, and turn it into one that has a sepia tone background while still leaving the subject matter in color. Okay, so we're going to get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm first going to open up my photo. So I'm going to go to File, Open, and I'm going to go find that photo. As you can see, it's in color. I'm going to click Open. And the first thing that I want to do is I want to create a duplicate of that layer. So what I'm simply going to do is I'm going to take this layer here and I'm going to drag it down to create a new layer. So I'm going to be working off of this copy just so that in case something goes wrong, I still have the original as a backup. Okay, so from here, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to come over here to the side and I'm going to click the Quick Selection tool. And then I'm going to click Select Subject. And Select Subject is a really quick way whereby Photoshop analyzes your photo and selects the most predominant thing within your photograph. So as you can see here, it has selected the flower. And then what I'm going to do next is I want to get that flower onto its own layer. So I'm going to hit Command J on the keyboard. And as you can see, it's created a new layer over here in my layers palette. Okay, so you can see here, there it is. I'm going to turn those other layers back on. And then the next step in this easy tutorial is I'm going to click the background layer and I'm going to come up to Image, Adjustments, Hue Saturation. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide the saturation toolbar all the way to the left. So that strips that background layer of all of its color. And I'm going to click OK. Okay, so that's a really great way, a very easy way to create a strong focal point within your work. If you wanted to take your work one step further, you could have a sepia background tone, and you would simply go back under Image again, Adjustments, Hue Saturation, and from the preset drop down, we would choose Sepia, which will give it that sort of bronze color tone of olden day photographs. Okay, so there you have it. When you're done, go to File, Save As, and save your work. Thanks for watching.